Hello, we're playing this game called September 99. Not a beer, because I'm an alcoholic person. Some bird picture. Not a beer. Okay, can't enter any of these rooms. This person must wear them birds and beard. I'm not sure I'm supposed to be looking for something. Yeah, I don't know what I'm supposed to do right now. Oh. No dumpster, no dumpster. Oh. This game's creeping me out. And 2 days later. Oh, there's a police now. That's great. No dumpster, no dumpster. Oh. There's a dead body right there. That's great. Okay, guess I'm a serial killer. Am I crying? I guess I just took this dude's body apart. Jeez. My desert. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'm a desert. Am I killing somebody right now? Oh, this game just kicked me out. Okay. Yeah, this game was kinda creepy. Anyways, I just want to try to do something different. Bye.